Hey everybody, it's Neil. Sorry about the bed there. We're doing tiling and stuff, so we had to take the bed out of another room. But you can see back on that door, there's got that black, stuff that's coming through. It's the weather stripping. It's just messed up. So I got myself this. Check this out here. This is weather stripping, and it is white and flexible, and it will go up and down the side. And it'll be a replacement for that black stuff that is having, that was all seeping through and coming through and looking ugly. I guess the house was painted. So it comes with the weather stripping, comes with, I'm not sure what this is here, a little plastic drop cloth, I guess, some primer, adhesion primer. So that'll help clean it all off. And another set of adhesion primer as well. So I'm gonna guess the way it works here, it kind of explains it there. You cut the seal to the strip of the required length, peel off the adhesive tape, and place it in and down. And then cut it to the right size. So let me go ahead and, I don't think you guys will reach over there, but the way it will work, I will open this up, and I'm gonna take off this current one here, which is a black one, and I'll be putting this white one right down there, and then I will cut it to length. Very super simple, easy to do, and then I will have a nice, good seal. Oh, actually this one comes off pretty easy here. So there, black one is not gone. And now I just have to take this one on right where that one was. So that'll be sweet. I'm gonna go do that. You guys won't be able to see what it looks like. It's gonna be behind the pillar. But that's where it'll go. And it'll just be there in about 5 minutes, it'll be done. So super cool, super easy. Thumbs up, very nice. Oh, more. There we go. So, very nice. Nice to have this. Very cool. Thumbs up. So here you can see, I put it right, the door locked. Put it right there. So it's on there now. Makes a nice seal. Very good. Thumbs up.